This is Bunmi, Senior Executive Marketing Director and National Training Director with Financial Destination. And I'm here tonight in Jacksonville, Florida. We're fired up. We just got finished our home presentation here at Marlene's house. Got people signed up in the business. Say hi to Arthur over there. Hey, Arthur. But anyway, I'm here with a brand new member on Terrence Hawkins' team, Q, tell us why you were so fired up about FDI.
Hey, first of all, shouts out to Terrence and the FDI tag team. FDI voice is unbelievable.
Absolutely.
I'm so in love with Kylie. I'm so in love with the concierge service. And most importantly, I'm so in love with the compensation plan. Make your money back. Get in the business. Call whoever you see on this video. Call Bunmi. She's phenomenal. All right, Bunmi, love you. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're so welcome. I mean, this business is awesome, guys. He saw me on YouTube. He happened to hear me on a conference call. Now we're here today
7
together.
days, people.
I'm telling you. So it's all about family. It's all about helping you to make that $29,000 a month and then go up from there. But we are saving lives. We're giving people a financial lifeboat. Give me a call at 443-737-2017. We're going to show you how to go to HIP National Bank with the greatest income opportunity in the world, which is
FDI.
FDI.
All right.